This is my reflection for becoming an effective 21st century teacher. As a future 21st century teacher, I recognize that my role goes beyond teaching lessons and giving activities. I'm a director of learning, a guide, a mentor, and a lifelong learner. The world is changing rapidly. New technologies emerge, information is everywhere, and the challenges our future learners will face are more complex than ever. Therefore, I must prepare myself with the right mindset, skills, and values to help my students succeed. First and foremost, I will put my student at the center of everything I do. I will know them as individuals, respect their differences, and create an inclusive and safe learning environment where everyone feels valued. I will be patient and empathetic because I believe understanding comes before teaching. Second, I will commit to lifelong learning. To teach effectively, I must keep learning about my subject, about my teaching strategies, and about the world my students are growing up. I will stay curious, open-minded, and willing to grow so I can inspire the same in my student. Third, I will use technology purposely. Technology is not just a tool, but a bridge to success ideas, connect with the world, and solve problems. I will integrate digital tools in meaningful ways that enhance learning and be creative problem solvers. More than memorizing facts, I will teach them how to ask questions, analyze information, and make wise decisions. And fifth, I will model the values I want my student to practice. I will show my integrity, respect, responsibility, and compassion. I believe that students learn not only from what we say, but from what we do. And lastly, I will partner with families and the community. Education is a shared responsibility. By working together, we can build a strong support system that helps our learners thrive. In the end, being an effective 21st century teacher means preparing the minds and hearts of future generations. I am not just a teaching for today, but for their tomorrow. I will lead with the purpose, passion, and perseverance because every learner deserves the chance to succeed in ever changing world.